Okay guys, welcome back. Discount Tools here. I haven't done a video in a while, so I went to Home Depot and found this great deal here. New M18 Fuel Hammer Drill and Impact Gen 3 kit. Tool number combo kit 2997-22CXPO. Comes with the new Gen 3 hammer drill, Gen 3 Impact, packout case, charger, 5 amp and a 2 amp compact. Got this for $210. Great deal, by the way. As you can see, let's see some info on the back. Turn this around. You got the brushless state motor, Red Link Plus intelligence, some more torque for your applications compared to, what do you say, generic brand and that yellow brand. More access in tight spaces. Size is 6.9 inches on the hammer drill and 4.59 inches on the Impact. Has 30% faster driving speed in the Impact and 2 times faster in high speed on the hammer drill. We got the specs on the hammer drill. Peak torque is 1200 inch-pounds. You have 0 to 550 on speed 1 and 0 to 2000 speed 2. 332,000 blows per minute. All metal ratcheting chuck, 1/2 inch. And it weighs 4.8 pounds. I'm not sure if that's with the battery or not. The Impact driver has RPMs of 0 to 3600. Max torque is 2000 inch-pounds. IPM 0 to 4300. 4-mode drive control. Single-handed bit insertion. And it weighs 3.8 pounds. Again, not sure if that's with the battery or not. It does come with the top pack-out kit. So if you guys are looking, or in the future looking for a pack-out kit that they come out later on, we'll see what this is included with. So with all that said, let's open her up. Use my Milwaukee hard line knife, D2 steel. If you want to see a video on this knife, click the link right here. Pop her open. And put the trash over here for now. Opens up very nicely, as you can see. And as you open her up, instruction manuals. Oh, that feels like something's in there. Oh, just the more instruction manuals. Comes with a non-rapid charger. A little bit of a pity. You can see, more instruction manuals. Have a nice handle case and the drill with the 5.0. Check her out. There's, I believe, 1 bar on it. Let's open her out and take a look. See, very good grip. Feels nice in the hand. Not too small either. The only thing I do not like on this is that in order to get to hammer mode, as you can see, here's hammer mode, drill, and then if you want to do screwing, then you have to move the to there. It's to the clicks, and then if you want to go back to hammer mode, you have to go all the way around. So it's not ideal for what I would like. Chuck, though, seems very nice. All metal chuck, as you can see. Going the wrong way. It takes a little while to do that, but focus here. Very nice metal in there too. It's not plastic. Sometimes they do that. So it's an old metal chuck, and the inside is plastic. Very nice, I would say. Has the bit holder right there on the side, like a fuel should have on the drills. So, comes with a nice foam. It's not Kazon foam. It does come with a nice foam insert. Then you have the impact. It's very compact, from what I can see. Let's see how much battery life we have. Again, we have one bar on it. Light is in the front of the impact, unlike the hammer drill, which is on the bottom here, I believe. Yes. Very reminiscent of the Milwaukee impact with the Bluetooth that I have. Do a comparison of these two. It's very nice. It's very small, and you can see here, I'm trying to get into the selectors in the middle. As you can see, there's a nice white light that you can tell. I'm not sure if you could tell that in the... I'm trying to get into the light here. It's like, am I in the shade? But it looks, yep, it's not that good, but in the sun, you can't really tell. You need it to be in the shade, but it's a little better than maybe a blue light would have been better. But as you can see, it has 3 modes, and the 4th mode is for tapping, for metal screws. But very nice impact, very good. As you can see, very small. I think it's almost the size of the battery, so the length. So let's bring them over here. Again, you have the, let me actually show that. You do have the new hammer drill bar. The old one used to just attach to the top, and there was a lot of problems with that. That's why they had to change this out. Let's see if we can get this on here. So we just unloosen that. And it looks like you have to spread it first a little bit. That's what she said. But let me put this on my tripod. Just give me 1 second, guys. Oh, we don't damage anything. Still not there. As you can see, you have to loosen this up. A very far ways, so it completely goes on the bottom and has to line up with the hammer drill markings on both sides. And then you're ready to go, depending on your applications. Alright, let's bring this over here, and we'll put some screws into this log that I have. But as you can see inside, you're not going to get the packout supplies. They usually come with like a plastic containers and stuff that you can put in here. But it looks like you could probably take, this is just foam, you could probably take this out if you don't need this, and get the, I believe you can get the those cases from Acme Tools for like $12 or 13 bucks. Just bring this over here. Alright. Adjust this a little bit. Alright, and again, these are my Milwaukee bits. If you would like to see an opening of these, just go to this video right here. We're using 4-inch spack screws today. These are Torx. Let me get a torque bit on them. Fit very nicely, as you can see. So let's take the impact. This right here, as you can see. Very simple one-handed insert. Very nice. Oof, bit's hot. That was on number 3. Let's do number 1. See what we can do with that. Nope. As you can see, it's not going to let the bolt screw go all the way in on setting 1. Let's do on setting 2. See, we're on setting 2. Doesn't look like it's going to do that on setting 2 either. Let's try it with a 5 amp, because the battery just died on me. Try that again. You can see, the 2 amp it struggled a little with the 5 amp. It's a little much better. Let's let that one cool off for a little bit. Let's try that 1 again on 1. So with a 5 amp, you can get it through, but you are having some slippage. Let's try it with the. Try it on 4. See if there's any difference. Very fast, as you guys can see. Let's try it again on 3. You're on 3. A little slower on 4. I'm guessing that's with the tap on. So let's do this with the, try it out with the hammer drill. I do not have any drill bits with me right now, but let's show this. Show it with the release. It comes right out. To the wood. That's on speed 2. Very fast. Oof, hot. Let's try to speed 1. Awesome. Very awesome tools, guys. What can I say? Very powerful. So if you like the video, again, it's going on 15 minutes. Just give me a likes up. Leave a comment down below. And as always, keep on trucking. See you guys. Peace. And also subscribe. If you get a chance, subscribe to the video. Thank you. Peace.